I just want to jump into Premiere Pro and show you 5 editing tricks nobody will tell you. Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel. Someone send you a video and the video can't play on your computer, but it's just because your computer is slow and it's not good enough for the capacity of that video. But there are these things you can do before start editing this kind of image on your computer. So first thing I usually do is go to my sequence. You can see this video particularly is on 4K and we don't want 4K image, so we have to convert this image to 1080p. So how can we do that? All right, we go to editing mode. So firstly, I'm going to select any 1080p first so that it will transfer it here, and now I can go to custom. Now I can change the frame rate. I can say 24 frames per second. Now this is where the magic comes in. I have to come over here. I go to QuickTime. Now change the codecs to this. Now you are done. You can set OK. Now automatically your video will look like this. Is because it was first of all on 4K and now you are trying to convert the video to 1080p, of which the 4K image was large, so we have to bring it now down. There are two ways you can bring it down. First way, you can come over here and you bring it down till you get it to the level where it suits the 1080p. And secondly, you can just come over to the video, you right click and you go to scale to frame size, and automatically it's just going to scale it for you. But as on this video there's a little bit of a line, so I'm just gonna do some small touching over here. All right, that's good. So we can now play the video. Now as we are playing the video, it's not too bad, but I think there's another way you can now add to make the video play smoothly on your computer. So how can we do that? Now it's on full frame, which means it's playing the full quality of this video. But we don't want that because we are editing this video and we are editing this video in a very slow computer, so we have to bring it down to maybe 1:2 or 1:4. I will go to 1:2 and you will see the example. Now I replay the video. You can see we have a slight smooth playback. You can increase it by taking it to 1:4. Now I think 1:4 will be good for your computer when you are doing editing, because it's something you are doing just for the editing sake, and when you are done you can export your video in the high resolution, so there's no problem putting it on 1:4. So now we are just going to play back and see what it has given. So with all this, after you have done your editing, for example you're editing like this, now you have your images. You can do a smooth rendering right now with full assurance that after everything you are going to export this video with the previews of those smooth rendering. So what am I trying to say, guys? You are going to come over here, render effects in and out, render in and out, which means you are rendering all the image, and over here you are rendering just the effects on the image. But this image there is no effects actually, so I'm just going to render in and out. I'll click there and something like this is going to take on. You can see over here now we have a green line. That means our video is now rendered. So you see there's a lot of cleaner playback. Even if you put it on full, you will still have a cleaner playback. You can see, so we still have a cleaner playback because the image is already been rendered. The last step is where you now do your exporting. You go over to the export media. Maybe you want to share it to YouTube, you can scroll down, just come to YouTube. So guys, this is where the magic comes in. Now down here I will go to VBR2 Now over here I'll say 10 as YouTube, and now I add the codecs like this. So I like to put something like 40 over here, and I have to use the use previews because the image has already been rendered. So all I want is to copy all those semi-rendering frames and now use it on this final exportation. So there we can just go. You can see yourself how it's going to take small time to render your very long image, your movie, your video, your tutorial, your music video. Less time to do the exporting. So that's what I want you to know, guys. This is a secret many filmmakers, many video directors, many editors are using. And today I just want to show you this secret so that you'll get going in your filmmaking career, you'll get going in your editing career. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss videos coming from this channel. I'll be giving you much giveaway like video transition, the cinema grade that people purchase, but I'm going to give it to you for free. A lot of plugins that I'm going to give it to you for free, but with time, just as you stay tuned to this channel. See you next time.